Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today we're doing a haul video, and I'm kind of excited about it. I ordered some things on National Lipstick Day and got them super cheap, talking $1 or $2 for the different brands or different types. And I got a mystery box. So if you're excited to see what's in it, let's go. So in this box is all my goodies. All right, so we have the Ofra mystery bag for $35, I believe it was. I don't know if it was new or if they just threw it in there for National Lipstick Day. But I don't have this bag, and I've done a couple of their mystery boxes, so I'm excited to see what's in here. And these are the lipsticks that I was talking about. I got for $1 and then $2. So we have a couple lipsticks to go through right here, and they sent a hand sanitizer. And also, I just thought this was the cutest thing ever. I mean, a lot of companies are giving us hand sanitizer, but look at how cute these little packs are. And there are 4 of them in here. These are adorable single-use hand sanitizers. And of course, they sent the Jen Loves Reviews Life-Altering Shades collab, and it talks all about it. So if you want to see that, go ahead and pause the video and read that. But I thought that was really cool that they're putting advertisements in for her collab. So let's go ahead and get into these things. So we'll start with the hand sanitizer, which is a spray hand sanitizer energy. No fuss way to sanitize, hands on the go, and it is 2 fluid ounces, and it is a pump. So I absolutely love that. I keep a pump in my car because it's so much easier. It is sealed down, and it was also in a plastic bag. So that's amazing for the Ofra to do that, because I've had things spill. They've double protected it. Okay, let's see what we got for $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. This cost $7 for all of these. What? You know what? Maybe one of them was 10. So 2, 4, 5, 6, at least 6. Okay, so I have 2 flexi sticks and 3 liquid lipsticks. So I've never tried their flexi stick formula, and for $2, the colors were kind of nudish, and I was super excited about that. Like, I couldn't believe they were giving that away for $2. What? All right, so there is Swizzle, right? Swizzle and a Fuzzy. And I am going to swatch Fuzzy real quick because this is a beautiful nude shade. Right there's what it looks like. Am I holding it upside down? I am. And I'm excited because I've never had this formula. Smells just like her lipsticks. Well, this is more brown than you would think. So there is that. You know I have to try the other ones too. I can't just not swatch them for you. So let's go into Swizzle, which is like looks like a mauve tone. Right there. Swatch it out. I don't know if these are still available. I would assume not, but don't sleep next a National Lipstick Day. There's that. This was the only place I ordered for that. No, that's a lie. I got Sephora Lip Stories, the giraffe one, and another one for like $4 or something. Okay, and then now we're into liquid lipsticks. This one is very vampy, and it is called Bordeaux. And really the only reason I did get it is because it's $1. I will maybe use this at some point in a fun, cool looking look. But this is like really purpley. Be great for like a Halloween look or something that you need a really dark lipstick for. It's Ofra's formula, so you can't go wrong, right? We have Palm Beach, which is a pretty hot pink, perfect for right now in the summertime. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That would probably look good with what I'm wearing today too. Oh, it's so pretty. It would definitely match my eyes. That is gorgeous. And then you're gonna see this on me for sure. I wear enough pinks. Look, you're gonna see this on me. And then this one is Angels. Right there, nice nude for $1. Actually, this might have been the $10 one. This might have been, shh, don't tell my husband. This one feels like a flexi stick a little bit, but it is a perfect nude. This is going to be my go-to. I'm not even kidding. Wow, that's so pretty. Could you imagine like that, this nude with like the pink kind of ombre into it? You guys, I'm so excited for these lipsticks. I'm so excited. So let's see what's in our bag. This is a nice bag. Like, it is seriously a well-made bag. But we're gonna jump right into it. I see something that I already have from a previous mystery bag, and it is the Cleanse Off cotton lip wipes, because of their you know, their formula is hard to get off, so they do lip wipes, which, you know, it's okay. Ooh, this is a liquid lipstick in Daytona Beach. Another one perfect for this time of year. I don't wear a lot of oranges, but we're gonna go for it. Ooh, it is orange, you guys. That is orange. But I can use these also for eyeliners. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but these, just like with the Jeffree Star ones, you can use them as eyeliners. That's kind of cool looking though. That is definitely cool looking. All right, looks like we have a highlighter, and it is in Star Island. So I am going to leave this in here and put it in a future giveaway because I already have it. Let me grab it and show you what it looks like. I use this thing, actually, is it what's on? I think it's what's on today. It's some of what's on today. It is a beautiful highlight right there. And let's just do right here. Look at that. That is so pretty. So this will go into a future giveaway. What is this? Oh, a banana powder. I don't, actually, you know what? I do have one of their banana powders. It is in a Z palette. I don't have it in this. So that's kind of cool. I think I got the banana powder that I have in their first mystery box that they did. Like I said, it's just in a little Z palette pan, but there is that. I wonder, that's about the size of mine too. So mine could probably pop into that once this is gone, or what, vice versa, or I could take this out. Looks like, I don't know if you can take the sticker off and pop it out. I'll have to do a little bit of research. But hey, not mad at that. And then it looks like there's one more thing in here. That wasn't too much. Oh, and it's a makeup fixer. So I already own this too. And I don't know if I own this color though. It just says a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. I think I have the orange one. So I don't know quite sure what I'm going to do with that. It is completely sealed down. I'm not going to mess with it, but I'm not mad at it. So for the mystery box, we got a beautiful bag, which is stunning. We have this makeup spray. We have the wipes. We have a full-size highlighter, which is amazing. We have a banana powder. And we have the liquid lipstick. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. You can't get mad at that. I think they do a lot of repetitive stuff in their bags now. I think one that I bought for $15 probably blew this one out of the park. But hey, I'm excited. And I'm excited to have something for the giveaway. So thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know if you guys have received any Ofra mystery bags and what you thought of this one. And what do you think of these colors that I got for $1 and $2? I think it's amazing, you guys. I'm so happy that I actually found a really good deal. But anyway, thank you again for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.